Alright friends, so a little bit of a quick tip today about throttle control if you are a complete beginner. Okay, let's take a look at this. So hold on, let me just sit on the bike so I can show it to you easier, I hope. Alright, let me be at this side lah. So throttle control, if you're a complete beginner, so this is how I learned. At first it was a bit scary lah for me, because all I know is I hold the throttle like this, right? Which is not wrong, but there's an easier way for you to learn throttle control if you're a complete beginner with no experience at all. So what I did was, I discovered this myself. So I put 2 fingers on the brake lever so that I can actually feel my fingers on the lever, how much I pull, right? You see, I can feel how much exactly, so I won't whisky throttle accidentally lah. So because we are a beginner, is not, we are not used to how much, you know, how much throttle to twist, right? So putting 2 fingers at the brake lever is actually one of a very good way to gauge how much you are putting the gas on. So yeah, this is how I learned how to ride. So I hope this helps. Super hot. I'm just gonna go home right now, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Ciao.